Solving logarithmic inequality. Ang ating given example, logarithm of 8x minus 15 to the base of 3 greater than 4. Una, ating itong isi-change siya sa exponential form. Okay, kopyahin natin itong ating argument na 8x minus 15. Then itong base natin, 3. Then, ang ating exponent itong 4. Okay, copy lamang itong ating symbol of inequality na greater than. Isolate yung 8x, then negative 50 po sa kabila, it become positive. Then, simplify natin yung 3 raised to 4th power, that is 81. Then, copy lang itong inequality symbol na greater than. Then, 8x greater than, then add natin 81 plus 15, that is 96. Then, divide natin both side by 8. Eliminate na itong 8. Isolate itong x. Then 96 divided by 8, that is 12. Copy itong greater than. And now this is our answer. X greater than 12.